doing?
Sure you want to know? Does your boyfriend always get his way? Yes.
Hello? Hey!
You're ready to go. Your canoe will be right down there by the water.
I can't wait to show ours. First time here, it's gonna be awesome.
Need a map?
No, I know this park well.
Do you mind me asking you where you're headed?
Blackfoot Trail, bear spray. You're not gonna need it.
I would be lucky to see anything bigger than a chipmunk.
Of course you're going that way.
This is the way.
Trying to turn me on right now?
No. Were you just walking by, or?
Couldn't eat them all if I wanted to.
I thought maybe we could all have dinner tonight.
All right, then. You're lucky man, Alex.
I know. Why don't you fight him in the house next time?
I said I'm sorry. Alex,
I don't understand.
this can't be it, right? Can you look at me, please?
Just let me think. Just let me think.
We don't have a map. We don't have a cell phone. We are in the middle of nowhere.
That? Oh, that's acorns. It's falling from the trees on a tent. That's not an acorn.